Hello guys, it's brandonironman here, and today we're playing Cat Run. Make sure this is... Yes, it works. Haha! I am a genius! And today we are... Actually, I played this a couple times. Mouse Hunt. I want to do Mouse Hunt. What is Mouse Hunt? Ooh. Ready? Let's go! What is that? What is that? Give me! This is so fun! Why is this not on TV? Whoa! The crap did I just get? Maybe I just took the tutorial. Ow! Yes! Yeah, no! Yes! No! No! Oh! Out of my way, you stupid plant! Boxers! Wait, no! There we go. I hit the mouse! Here, Mr. Oh wait, I'm supposed to click these things? Where is it? Maybe I can't go out that way. Where's this mouse at? Ah! No. That's it. I'm just gonna go crazy. No. Yes, fear me. Where is this mouse at? I can't find this mouse, guys! Your mission is to find this mouse! If my cat ever starts making these sounds... Check out the plant. Yes, check out another plant. Haha! My mission. Oh wait, am I supposed to get all the money? Maybe I should have read this. I didn't. I'm so dumb. But this feels awesome! Screwing around as a cat. Is there money in here? Yes! Aha! I missed it! Ouch. Yes, I got it! Unlucky, you just found money. More increase to find the other. Main menu! Let's play. Wait, can I buy stuff for my cat? Okay. Bob. No, wait. Billy the Bob. Yes. Now we're going to do this.
3, 2,
Here I go.
1.
Let's go. Get the bird! Get the bird! I want the bird, damn it! Give me that bird! Give me your bird! Come here, bird! I want to eat you! You shall be coming my belly! What did it just give me? It pooped out something! No! Wow! Get in my belly, bird! Fox. You get in my belly! Get in my belly! Make me lunch, bird! Is that like knockover stuff? Yes, anybody's cat does this? Now you know what's actually going on. Watcha! Get in my belly, bird! Did I beat it? Did I beat it? Well done, you have. Yay! Next challenge. Oh, more cats! More cats! Jump on them! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! What did you pick up? I don't want that! Come on! Come on! I can focus! I can focus! I can focus! What he get ball of yarn? Oh, it's a dog. No, at the window! No, Kitty! Ah, bad luck, you lost your cat, so you have been giving a new one. My team? I've lost my cat! I'm renaming him Jeff! I think I spelled Jeff wrong, but it's Jeff! Come on, Jeff, we got this! Let's go, Jeff! Go, Jeff, go! Go, Jeff! Go! What? Oh, wait, whoops! Woo! Woo! Out of my way! Yes! Yes! Yes, I got this! No! Wall! What's with this wall? Come on, Jeff, we got this! Get the boxes out of my way! Who needs boxes when you got a cat? I forget what button to push. Stupid wall keeps getting in my way. Meow! Oh! I don't think I could ever do that in my lifetime. There's music playing to this. Yeah! I think that's the score last time. I don't know. Somebody tell me when to watch or something. I'm scared to watch. Let's go, Jeff! Go, Jeff! Go! Go, Jeffrey! Go, Jeffrey! Go! Go, Jeffrey! Hi! Jump! Yes! 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 Come on, Jeffrey! You got this, Jeffrey! X. Come on! Come on! Yes! What is that? No one of those thingies? Yeah! Yes! I'm in the lead! Yes! Wow! No! Come on! Yes, I'm in the lead! Yes! Fear me! Fear me! Why do I keep picking up the dog one? I don't want the dog. Yeah, they were close to me. Even the birds stop to play with it. That's so funny. Haha. Yes, baby. Wow! I think I'm getting better at this, guys. Yeah! Yeah! Look at me go! I'm a cat! I'm a cat! Look at me! Look at me! I'm a cat! Woo! 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 Yes! No! Get away from me! Oh, I got the laser pointer! I like the dog one a little bit better. It makes the cat stop. No! It's my catnip! Oh. I forgot what button I had my fingers on. Sorry, guys. Let's go, let's go! Let's go, cat! Let's go! Go, Jeffrey! Go, Jeffrey! Go, Jeffrey! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Stupid wall. I am a cat. I have no need for this. I am the best of the best of the best. Ooh, catnip. Stupid wall. Stupid wall. Why does walls have to exist? Why? I just want to ride and be free. Oh, you're afraid I might jump on the boxes, huh? So you put the boxes up. I passed you! No! I can't them! Oh! Oh! I dislike you! Oh! Bad dog! Bad dog! Get in my belly, bird! What's up? Oops! I forgot to jump. Brandon, you have to jump on your own, Jeffrey! No, Jeffrey! Come on, I gotta get in first place. Gotta get in first place. Come on, come on. Come on. What's the power up? What's the power up? I don't care about your stupid god! I am going to eat you! Get off my screen, I don't want that. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, come on! Oh no! Jeffrey! Jeffrey likes the walls! Jeffrey! Don't tell Jeffrey! I'm so bad at this round! Come on! Come on, Jeffrey! Come on! No! Jeffrey! 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 I'm telling your mom you don't use catnip Farrah! Why are you letting that one down, Jeffrey? Come on, Jeffrey! Focus! You got this, Jeffrey! No! Leave those walls alone, Jeffrey! The walls have nothing to do with shortcuts! Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Yeah, we're definitely going to lose this time. But Jeffrey! Jeffrey's going to use speed! Ah! 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 Come on, Jeffrey! Yes, Jeffrey! No, Jeffrey! Why? No, Jeffrey! You could have run, Jeffrey! 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 Oh, viewers, name me the cat Jeffrey now. Watch him run around. Get the laser pointer out, honey! Okay, one more time, guys. One more. Jeffrey, use power speed! Jeffrey! Ooh, that time I did it nicely. Don't you throw that! Don't you throw that at me! No, ah! Jeffrey! Yes, Jeffrey! Yes, Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Oh my god, my YouTube people are just gonna be like, what the crap are you on, Brandon? Well, I'm afraid to look down. I might lose. Yes! Yes! Come on! I got this! I got this! No! That's okay. That's okay, it's only left 2. I still got my single weapon! Yes! Ah! Okay! Ah! Ah! Jeffffffffffrey! Learn to control yourself! I like this, I'm keeping this until... I do want to see what the laser pointer does. Wow! Yes! No, not the wall! I'm in first place, right? How do I know if I'm in first place? Oh crap, I used the wrong thing. No! Oh, damn it! No, it was mine! Oh, come on, come on, come on! Come on, no! Really? No! No, this sucks! Sucks! It's my time! It's my time! It's my time! It's my time! It was my time! Forget that was Team Drag Race Cats! Yes! Yes! Y'all have seen it! Y'all have watched it! Help! Help! Oh, what's the laser pointer do? Tell me what the laser pointer at the wall in front of. Oh, okay, that's what the laser pointer do. Okay, now that I learned that, what time is it? How long do we got? How long do we got? Actually, guys, I'm going to call it quits there. And yes, that is real life me holding my one cat because I was at Fairy Festival. If you have never been, please go. You will see me there. See me with this cat. Well, maybe not that cat. She does deserve a break every now and then from her public. But yes, I will tell you that cat's name in the future. Please stay tuned. Stay subscribed. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If not, please, sir, please have a heart. Okay, I better not do that because a lot of you might, some of you do know me. But yes, please subscribe. Please leave a like too. I found this game. I thought it'd been awesome. If this is what you guys like, I will definitely do more of this. Just give me a shout out. I will do other games like this in the near future. Just letting you know, this is available. This has been brandonironman signing out. Please subscribe. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment. Okay. Goodbye! Jeffffffffffrey! Don't die, Jeffffffffffrey! Jeffrey's died 5 times. I'm a horrible cat racer. Goodbye.